To change the batteries on your Wii controller, it's very easy to do. First of all, just remove any accessory plugged into the bottom by pinching and pulling out. Then you need to slide the rubber boot up to give us access to the battery compartment at the back. Pinch in here and open up, and you will see we have two AA batteries. Now look closely, you will see it does tell you which way to put them in when you go to put them back in. Positive up here, negative, positive, negative. When you put your batteries back in, you can see that one side's labelled up as positive, so the other side's going to be negative, and then you just need to put them in like that, press down, positive side in first, press down on the negative, and then pop the cover back on, and then you will find that your battery is working again. If you're getting sick of changing the batteries, then there is other options. You can actually buy rechargeable battery packs, like so. This is a white one for a white controller, but it will still work on the red one, and if you have a look there, you will then see that it will also sync up, and you can just recharge this when it goes dead. Thanks for watching.